Hey guys, welcome back. Tonight we're making honey garlic jerk wings. And remember, I'm not a chef, just a mom who loves to cook for her family. Let's get started. So first you want to season your wings. I am using garlic powder and some black pepper and also some pink Himalayan salt. And I'm using 2.5 pounds of wings. So season it really good. Next you want to use your baking powder. That's 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And you want to make sure everything is going to be evenly coated, so just sprinkle it around. Then you're going to add in your jerk sauce, about 8 to 9 teaspoons. Now we're going to mix everything in. You want to take and rub all of your ingredients all into the chicken. That way it's rubbed in and marinated really good. You want to make sure every piece is coated very well, okay? Next, we're going to set our air fryer up. That's 400 degrees on air fry. And you want to place each chicken flat down on the pan and make sure they're spaced out enough so each piece isn't touching or overcrowded. You want them to cook really well and get a lot of heat. That way you can get that nice crispiness on the outside. All right, now that those are done, we're going to go ahead and pop them in. And we're going to start on our garnish. So our garnish for tonight is going to be some green onions. You just want to chop them up roughly. They don't have to be perfect. We're just going to sprinkle them on in the end. Now we're going to prepare our honey garlic sauce. We are going to melt some butter in a pan. Once that's melted, we're going to add in our minced garlic. And you want to stir it around and let it simmer until the garlic is very fragrant. Next, we're going to add in our honey. I use raw unfiltered honey. It's just the best honey to use. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our Tabasco sauce. Isn't that little jar so cute? Next, we're going to add in our fresh grated ginger. You can also use powdered ginger as well. Then we're going to add in our smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika. It gives it that nice barbecue-y, smoky flavor. So we're going to go ahead and stir everything in, and we're going to let it simmer. It's on a low-medium heat. While that's simmering, we're going to go ahead and flip over our wings. I cook them for about 20 minutes, so that's 10 minutes on each side. You don't want them to burn. You just want them to get a nice crisp on the outside, as you can see is my other wings here. Now that we flip them all over, we're going to pop them back in for the last 10 minutes. Now, we're going to add our Worcestershire sauce. Y'all know what I'm talking about. To our honey garlic sauce. This will stop the honey from boiling over too much and starting to turn too sticky at this stage. And again, we had the heat on very low. Now, it's time to check on our wings. Look at that, guys. They look so good. They have the perfect crisp on the outside, not too hard, just a nice light crisp. And I know they're juicy on the inside. So while they're hot, we're going to go ahead and toss them in our honey garlic sauce. You can put enough wings in there, to not crowd the pan up too much. That way you can evenly coat each piece. Once you've done that, just make sure you get enough on each. That way you can taste it. We're going to go ahead and plate them up now. Oh, my favorite part. I can't wait to eat them. So go ahead and place your wings on your pan. And then we're going to go ahead and grab our garnish, those green onions that we chopped up earlier. And we're going to go ahead and just sprinkle those on. It just gives it a nice fresh taste along with that sweet and savory. And here you go, guys. Honey garlic jerk wings. If you like this recipe, drop a 1 below in the comments.